Hey guys, so if you want to skip the Faceit verification, right now it's not really possible how we can do it, and I was like researching like everywhere on what you can do about it. So the one thing that you can try to do is you can get it here from Elobos.net, where you're gonna find a Faceit account level 1 for $12.99, and that's something that you can actually get. So that's pretty much it for it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.